With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us solve this question. The question says that which is an example of autocatalysis? Option A, hydrolysis of methyl acetate. Option B, oxidation of Na2SO3 in presence of Na2ASO3. Option C, oxidation of oxalic acid by KMNO4. And option D, none of these. So in this question, reactions are given and we have to tell that which of the reaction is an example of autocatalysis. So basically autocatalysis is a reaction in which one of the product that will be formed act as a catalyst. So we can say that autocatalysis is a process in which the reaction is catalyzed by one of the product. Now let us check all the reactions. So first we are given hydrolysis of methyl acetate. So we have methyl acetate CH3 COO CH3. When it is hydrolyzed, now basically it hydrolyzed in presence of dilute HCl. Then there is formation of CH3 COOH, that is acetic acid, and CH3OH. Now here what happens in this process, we add HCl in the beginning in small amount, right? Catalyst added in beginning. Now what happens when the reaction proceeds, what happens, there will be formation of acid, that is CH3COOH, which act as a catalyst, right? So CH3COOH is a product and further it will act as a catalyst, so this is known as autocatalyst. Autocatalyst, right? So this reaction is an example of autocatalysis because here the product formed, acetic acid, will act as a catalyst and catalyze the reaction. So option A will be the correct option. Then we have oxidation of Na2SO3 in presence of Na2ASO3. Now basically what happens, sodium sulfite can react in air and get oxidized, but Na2ASO3, it cannot oxidize in air. But when we take their mixture, Na2SO3, that is sodium sulfite, and Na2ASO3, this is sodium arsenite, right? When we take them in a mixture and then air is passed through it, they both get oxidized and we get Na2ASO4 and Na2SO4, right? So basically what is happening here, uh, one reaction is influencing the rate of other reaction, and such type of catalysis is known as induced catalysis, because here Na2SO3 can be oxidized in air but Na2ASO3 cannot be oxidized in air, but when they are taken together they both get oxidized. So such type of catalysis is known as induced catalysis. Induced catalysis. So here the option B will be wrong because it is induced catalysis, not autocatalysis. Then we have oxidation of oxalic acid by KMNO4. Now what happened when we oxidized oxalic acid with KMNO4? Now we know that from KMNO4 we get MnO4 negative ions, that is permanganate ions. So in acidic medium, what happens? We have oxalate ion C2O4 2 negative, our oxalate ion which we get from oxalic acid, and there will be formation of Mn2 positive ions plus 8H2O plus 10CO2. So basically during this process we know that KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. In permanganate ion, manganese is getting reduced to Mn2 positive ions. So during this reaction the Mn2 positive ions, they catalyze the reaction. Right, so here the ions which are formed in the product, they catalyze the reaction, so it is an example of autocatalysis. So the ion which is formed in product catalyze the reaction, so it is an example of autocatalysis. So it means here option C is also correct, right? So A and C are correct, then option D, none of these is wrong. So option A, hydrolysis of methyl acetate, option C, oxidation of oxalic acid by KMnO4, these are the correct answer. Therefore, answer is A and C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.